President, US Kuti, Mr. Ravindra, Geeta, Matthew, and everybody on the dais to be available to take pictures as if they were giving you the award. It's all about optics, right? Yes. So why not? Because I saw on stage, several people are touching the certificate like this. So what's that all about? Here, we'll actually give it to you. You give us the award, give it back. Shall we do that? And this is the venue. Take some space. So you can stand here so that we are guys in the background, and you can do it. And may I request the photographers who I hope have not yet gone away, or you can ask your friends to take a picture. I am here as a filler. Saurabh, whoever is compiling the champion award company of the year, if they're ready, I'm done. Thank you.
They all are AI people, no?
I'm ready for the photo shoot.
No, they have taken, now they will do it rest on computer.
Good evening, everyone. Can we have a silence for 2 minutes?
Yes.
I think you have already heard me a lot in the afternoon, but it was a great pleasure meeting you, interacting with you for last 2 days, and I think you will enjoy your stay tonight, and you have a lot of positive energy tomorrow morning at the Brahma Kumari Ashram, and you are leaving now, and all the congratulations to all the winners. And PRCI team, you are really great and you have done a wonderful job. And as he said, you can have a picture click with them, but he has not told the charges how much he will charge. It's a digital world, so he can always send you a bill also. So please be careful before you do that. Thank you very much.
हाँ नहीं हेलो तो बोलना पड़ेगा सर एक बार
Good evening, friends. It has been a great experience for, I think, for all of you. As I also enjoyed, similarly, being, advocated for 2 days with lots of new areas, the peer technology and keeping up ourselves updated. So I think you will go back with lots of good memories and stay in touch with PRCI who are digital mediums, and we look forward to meet you all. As regard to Delhi PRCA chapter, it has been established in Delhi. Those who are interested, they are most welcome. Get them registered, become member of Delhi PRCI, and we will be able to take this chapter forward with all your support and help, as always. Thank you very much. Good evening to all of you.
I would like to request Mr. Ajay Gupta, who is the secretary of the Delhi chapter. He has got nearly 25 members as of now from Delhi. After this event,
He is a great person. He never talks, but he works on me. So that is his quality. He was a big person.
Champions of the year 2023. Can you have some patience?
Please.
You can announce yourself. Who will be the champion and who will be second champion? Any guess? HPCA. Third place goes to Indian Oil Corporation Southern Region.
इधर
Come. Well done.
चलिए चलिए
अब दे रहा है उसको दे दो
नहीं वो करेगा चलिए
Any guess for the second champion? Not anything. How did you say? Any guesses again? There are some numbers are given, so nobody can tell you what kind of numbers are given it to them. Anyway, it is NMDC.
నమస్కారం సార్
Congratulations.